Hello and welcome to the 8th tutorial in the SFML 2.1 series, and in this part we're going to be looking at text events. We'll be using the source code from the 3rd tutorial, so if you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description to the source code. Okay, so we're going to be looking at text events within SFML. We'll be looking at the following text event, which is when a character has been typed. And to add a text event, as with all the other events, you just add a case, SF event, text entered, colon, and in here we're going to do std out text has been entered, std inline, and now let's just put a break. Now let's just run this. Okay, let's just move this window over a second. Let's click a key. I am just typing away, and it is detecting all the keys. But what we're going to do is detect when a particular key has been pressed, and to do that, what we're going to do is if. So we're putting this if statement within the case statement, so we know that a key has been pressed, text has been entered. So now we can check for a particular character and put event.key.unicode. Sorry, this should be event.text.unicode equals 65, and 65 is uppercase A. It's basically ASCII. We'll show you that in a second. A little table for that. So we're going to do std cout capital A have been clicked, std inline. Rerun this, and now I'm going to type in QWE. I'm going to click A, as you see, it's the same text has been entered because it's not capital. But I'll just click Shift and A. It says capital A has been clicked, and now I'm going to turn caps lock on and keep pressing A. And it says capital A has been clicked. But if I click on the other key with caps lock on, it doesn't detect it because 65 is only for capital A. What we're going to do is open up our web browser, and in here, for ASCII, if you just type in literally ASCII into Google, there's plenty of websites that you can get this from, but here's a reasonable one. Got a little ASCII table here. So if we go down the decimal column, which is 65, and you go all the way down, all the way across to the character, we've got A, 97 is lowercase a, so this is how to detect particular keys. But also, because every single key on your keyboard pretty much is a piece of text, a character of some sort, it will be picked up by the text entered event. What you could do is have a range saying if it's between 65 and 122, which basically means all letters, uppercase and lowercase, or you can just say between 65 and between 90, so it's just all uppercase letters, and maybe include some other ones like space and enter and whatnot. So that is it for this tutorial. This was just a simple example. You could use this to check if the user is only typing obviously valid characters and so on whatnot. In the next part of this series, we're going to be looking at live keyboard input. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. Email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.